Day 36, start of week 6, Red Ranger broilers. As you can see, they're getting quite large. They still got a little bit of room. I'll have to make it bigger in a couple of days or so. They're eating right about 5 trays, maybe a little bit more a day now. They're still only drinking about 5 gallons of water a day. They're loving getting on new grass and being able to munch on it. Get out of there, Mamba. They don't like you. But they're doing really good. They're starting off their week well. It's supposed to get windy and rainy today, so hopefully they do well. Day 37, Red Ranger broilers. They're eating about 5.5 trays of food a day. I went ahead and I bought them a 3rd feeder just so that they have room to it. They're getting thicker. They're still drinking about 5 gallons of water a day. Loving life. Getting on new grass. Mamba, get out of here. They don't like you, Mamba. I started putting down wood chips from our jobs in the areas where I was putting hay. I went ahead and I put it all in this bare area. Time to get some seeds and overseed. Day 38, Red Ranger broilers. They're eating about 5.5 trays of food a day, maybe a little more. As you can see, they're getting quite large. Still moving them every morning, but they're doing really well. Still got a bunch of free space. Day 39, Red Ranger broilers. As you can see, they're getting huge. I'm going to extend their tractor today to give them some more room. As you can see, they got some room. They're eating almost 6 trays of food a day and drinking about 6 gallons of water a day. Day 40, Red Ranger broilers. I'm going to build them a new tractor today, or a second tractor today. I ended up hitting my hand with a hammer yesterday, so that kind of got me away from doing what I was supposed to do yesterday, which was extending this tractor. But they're eating right about 6 trays of food a day, drinking between 6 and 7 gallons of water a day. But they're doing really well, and they should enjoy their new tractor. I mean, there is some free space in there, but I want to give them more. 41 Red Ranger broilers. As you can see, they got a lot more room in here. That's because I put 13 of them over here. They're eating a little over 6 trays of food a day. They're drinking a little over 6 gallons of water a day. But they're loving their new arrangement. They got a lot more room. Moving right along. Loving life. Day 42, end of week 6, Red Ranger broilers. As you can see, they're in their separate pens. I have 14 in this one, and I have the 13 of the larger ones in this one. I'm moving both tractors every morning, putting down wood chips where they were the day before. I'm only putting it about an inch thick, that way that the grass can grow through fairly easily. As you can see, the free-range chickens had a field day about it. Everything is moving along pretty smoothly, kind of on autopilot. We essentially have 4 flocks of chickens right now, all doing really well. Stay tuned to next week. I want to thank you for watching. Ask that you subscribe, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, hit that bell. That way you'll be notified when I put out new videos.